In this video, we're going to take a look at the YouTube channel art size for all your devices. Your YouTube channel art is the first thing the viewer sees when they land on your channel. There are a few key factors you need to know before you can successfully create your YouTube channel art. Your YouTube channel art can also be known as your YouTube channel banner. Make sure you stick around to the end of this video where I share some great tools that can help you create your YouTube channel art with ease. Before we jump into the YouTube channel art sizes, if you're new here and you've not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you don't want to miss a single video, hit that bell icon and you'll be notified when I release new videos. I release weekly videos to help entrepreneurs, businesses, individuals, and creators just like yourself get online with video. Right, let's get started. When creating your art, the overall canvas size, the image size needs to be a minimum of 2560 pixels by 1440 pixels. So that is 2560 pixels wide and the height is 1440 pixels. The reason this is the minimum size is because it can be viewed on TVs, smartphones, and tablets. Now we have to remember TVs are high definition. So if you create a smaller canvas, and there is other sizes mentioned 2048 by 1152, creating these sizes can cause some pixelation. So I recommend, as YouTube does, 2560 by 1440 pixels. This is the canvas size that you will see, the overall canvas size. Now we're going to jump into some more content. Right, let's take a look at the actual image and let me explain the different sizes in more detail. And at the end, I will show you how you can create your own on your phone or your desktop. In the image, you can see a logo and text safe area. It's very important that you add any logos and text you want to be displayed in this area. Take a look at this. If I wrote outside of the logo and text safe area, it wouldn't be displayed on phones and maybe some tablets. So make sure that you place any of your text and logos inside of the safe area. If we now look outside of the logo and text safe area, you will see tablet. I will just place color and art in this area and the desktop area and the TV area. The main concern is the logo and text safe area inside of the overall image of 2560 by 1440, which you can see here. The best idea for you to create your channel art is to use a template. What you need to do is to use a template to help you create your channel art. There's a link in the description for a template with the exact sizes, so feel free to download it. Now it may help if you are using a program, software, or online tool which uses layers. In this way you can use the template I've provided, add it to the bottom layer, lock it, then add your art over the top within the designated areas. Obviously, always remember the logo and text safe area. I'm just going to show you a quick example of the template and what to do. In this instance, I'm going to use an app. Just open a template first in any app, software, online tool, lock the template layer, add your new layer. For example, create a layer for your logo and text safe area, create your design and see how it fits. However, when you create your design, please make sure that the main area you want viewers to see on all devices must live in the safe area. This is my current channel art. For example, you can see the logo and text and the main image sit within the safe area, allowing it to be viewed comfortably on all devices. There is some artwork outside of the safe area. This can be seen on desktop and TVs. So once you understand the overall size that you need, and once you understand that the logo and text safe area, you can successfully create your channel art the correct sizes. I've put all the individual sizes down below. The things you need to remember: the overall canvas size. For example, if I take this piece of paper, this is your overall size, and the middle portion here is where your logo and text should live. Once you understand the overall size of 2560 by 1440, you keep your logo and text within this safe area here, you'll be good to go creating perfect art. As promised, I'm going to give you the name of apps and some online tools to help you create your perfect YouTube channel art, which will fit all devices. If you're using software, you can use Photoshop. There's another online tool very similar to Photoshop called Photopea. Link to that is in the description below. Uses layers. You can also use PSDs on there as well. You can use Canva, another online tool to help you create perfect YouTube channel art. If you want to use an app, you can use Adobe Photoshop Mix. This uses layers as well. You can also use an app called PixArt, and these are to name a few. Those should be able to get you going and create some perfect channel art. And if you have any that you're using that I haven't mentioned that may benefit the rest of the community, please leave it down in the comments below and we'll get involved. Love to see what else you're using. Hope you found that information useful. Go out there and create some awesome channel art of the correct size without any issues. This should solve the problem of creating channel art, and you could be able to use it and see it, view it properly on any device, and you just have one go at it. Maximum file size will be 6 megabytes. Add any text and logo that you want viewers to see within the safe area. You will be good to go uploading. If you want to see more videos like this and other videos where I share tools, tips, strategies, apps, consider subscribing if you like this video and you found it very informative. I deliver videos like this one weekly to help entrepreneurs, businesses, individuals, and creators just like yourself get online with video. Make sure you stick around to the end of this. There are a few key factors you need to know before you can successfully your YouTube channel art. And if you don't want to miss a single video, hit that bell icon and you won't miss a single